In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install or add Clockify time tracker extension on your Google Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, to get this up, we need to go ahead and access Google Chrome web extension store. For that, go ahead and log into your Chrome account and then just click on these ellipses. And from here, you should see extensions option here. Now we have two options, manage extensions and visit Chrome Web Store. If we choose visit Chrome Web Store, go ahead and look for your extension here. But if you can't find it, go ahead and using the search bar on top here, enter the name of your extension. So I'll go ahead and enter Clockify time tracker and then hit on enter. Now here you can see we have our extension here. So click on it, and to know that it is the right app, make sure it is from cake.com niche, and at the time of recording this, it has over 300 users with a star rating of 3.6 from over 217 ratings. To add it, go ahead and click on add to Chrome and then confirm by clicking on add extension, and this will go ahead and download this extension and then add it on your Chrome browser. Now if we go to a new tab, you can see if I click on the extensions logo here and then choose manage extensions, you can see Clockify time tracker is here. Make sure you turn it on for it to function. So that's how you can install Clockify time tracker extension on your Google Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.